Last Saturday we had a party. Last Saturday we had a party. The party was at my friend's house. The party was at my friend's house. He invited many friends. He invited many friends. I was very happy to go. I was very happy to go. I like parties with my friends. I like parties with my friends. In the morning I cleaned my room. In the morning I cleaned my room. Then I took a shower. Then I took a shower. I put on clean clothes. I put on clean clothes. I chose a nice t-shirt. I chose a nice t-shirt. I also took a small present. I also took a small present. It was a box of chocolates. It was a box of chocolates. My mother said, "Have fun!" My mother said, "Have fun!" In the afternoon, I went to my friend's house. In the afternoon, I went to my friend's house. I knocked on the door. I knocked on the door. My friend opened the door as My friend opened the door as he said, "Welcome." He said, "Welcome." Many friends were already there. Many friends were already there. Everyone smiled and laughed. Everyone smiled and laughed. Music was playing in the room. Music was playing in the room. The room was full of balloons. The room was full of balloons. There was a big table with food. There was a big table with food. We saw cakes, fruit, and pizza. We saw cakes, fruit, and pizza. There were also cookies and sweets. There were also cookies and sweets. We drank juice and cola. We drank juice and cola. My friend's mother made a big cake. My friend's mother made a big cake. The cake had candles. The cake had candles. We sang Happy Birthday. We sang Happy Birthday. My friend blew out the candles. My friend blew out the candles. Everyone clapped and cheered. Everyone clapped and cheered. The cake was very tasty. The cake was very tasty. After food, we played games. After food, we played games. We played hide and seek. We played hide and seek. We played musical chairs. We played musical chairs. We also danced to music. We also danced to music. The boys and girls danced together. The boys and girls danced together. Everyone was happy. Everyone was happy. We laughed a lot. We laughed a lot. We also took photos. We also took photos. I took a photo with my best friend. I took a photo with my best friend. I also took photos with all the group. I also took photos with all the group. In the evening, we watched a movie. In the evening, we watched a movie. We sat on the sofa. We sat on the sofa. We ate popcorn during the movie. We ate popcorn during the movie. The movie was funny. The movie was funny. Everyone enjoyed it. Everyone enjoyed it. After the movie, we talked. After the movie, we talked. We shared funny stories. We shared funny stories. Some friends told jokes. Some friends told jokes. We laughed and smiled. We laughed and smiled. Time passed quickly. Time passed quickly. At 9 o'clock, it was time to go home. At 9 o'clock, it was time to go home. We said thank you to our friend. We said thank you to our friend. He was very glad. He was very glad. We said goodbye to everyone. We said goodbye to everyone. I went home with a big smile. I went home with a big smile. My parents asked, "Did you have fun?" My parents asked, "Did you have fun?" I said, "Yes, it was great." I said, "Yes, it was great." I showed them the photos. I showed them the photos. They were happy to see them. They were happy to see them. That night I slept very well. That night I slept very well. I dreamed about the party. I dreamed about the party. A party with friends is always special. A party with friends is always special. It gives me good memories. It gives me good memories. I want to have another party soon. I want to have another party soon. I love parties with my friends. I love parties with my friends.